Typing fast is awesome. It lets you send more messages to friends, complete that email to grandma earlier, and take less time to finish homework. Did you know some people type fast for a living? They're called typists. They work in courtrooms, take notes at business meetings, and even write closed captioning for television. They type as fast as people talk, which is about 110 words per minute. The world's very first typist was a woman in the 1870s named Lillian Sholes, who just so happened to be the daughter of Christopher Sholes, the man who invented the QWERTY keyboard. Since she was the first, her typing speed wasn't the fastest. She tended to seek and find, which probably means she looked at her keyboard and pecked the keys. But some type faster. In 1918, Margaret Owen reached 170 words per minute. That's a page in a minute and a half. Then in 1946, Stella Pajunas reached 216 words per minute, but only for a single minute. The world's true record holder is Barbara Blackburn. Though she only reached 212 words per minute, she could keep typing at over 150 words per minute for 50 minutes straight. Wow, that's 9,000 words, or 36 pages without taking a break. At that rate, she could type a novel a day. There are people that can type even faster, hitting as much as 360 words per minute using a special type of keyboard called stenotype. But that's a different story. Typing fast can take years of practice, but there are tricks to type faster and improve your skills. First, don't look at your keyboard. If you spend time looking for letters, that's less time typing. Type at a steady rate. That is, don't speed up or slow down. Find a pace that works for you. And lastly, type more often. Don't get discouraged if you aren't typing as fast as you want yet. Even Barbara nearly failed her first typing test. Just remember, practice makes perfect.